2007 Buick Lucene engine size V4A. How to replace the radiator? First time you remove the bumper. Remove the bumper and remove the stick, the cover, the pan cooler. This one, and remove the pan. And remove the cover bumper. And remove the pan. And remove the whole condenser. This one. And remove the whole transmission, upper, lower, whole radiator, and remove the radiator. Whole one leak. You check the make sure the new and inch holder. And tightening the bolt condenser. This one here, and hand the coolant and secure the cover. And upper hole and lower hole. Thank you watching video. If you like, you put subscribe for me. Thank you. Next time I put new video.